And because we have the wave-particle duality in light, it means that the wave-particle duality in light is a paradox, simultaneously dualistic, hence the reason they call it the wave-particle duality in light.
Right, but it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this in music, you have to study physics.
That's stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, power hypnagogia, hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. What that means is, you know, when you're going into a deep sleep, you experience stuff like precognition. You'll see flashes of futuristic events.
The wave, because sound is actually illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. But when you think about sound, sound is actually has to be, sound is actually is sort of dispersed from a three-dimensional perspective, because it's sort of
diatonic scales. It is based on a number system. So the first note. So the reason why I see it was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity.